Make a great choice today with the 2026 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, remote trunk release, integrated turn signal mirrors. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.